Hey guys, Sharon from Sharon's Nail Art and More.
You're not really recording.
How are you?
Are you recording?
Hope you're having a fun night like me.
Watching recording. She's recording.
That's my son in the background.
Oh my god.
Be quiet. People are trying to relax.
Those are nice.
Oh my god.
We have a tradition every year we come, so
Yeah.
stop. Sorry. I said to stop it now. Very pretty. One year Middletown didn't have fireworks, and that was pretty sucky, but for the last few years they've managed to scrape together our tax dollars and pay for fireworks.
I can go up down the hill.
Oh. I already ruined your pants.
My son wants to roll down the hill that we're on and
Stop.
ruin his
What are you
nice
doing?
clothes.
You're leaving.
I just want to.
That's kids for you.
Take this video.
Stop, Blaine. Just in case nobody got to see the fireworks, I'm putting these up here for you guys to enjoy. I always get such a nice view up here on the hill. A lot of bugs, but whatever. The bugs are like, we gotta get seats too. Ooh, that was nice. They had hearts and everything.
And creepers.
Yeah, like you in my camera.
You.
Stop, Blaine. Ooh.
Is the ending?
No.
When's the ending?
I'll come back when it's the finale, guys.
In between it, like boom, and then
I think this is the finale. Woo! All right. There it goes, the finale. Yeah. All right. through the smoke. That sucks. Whoa. Holy crap. Wow, that was pretty. Alright. There we go. That was nice. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Hear the horn?
Do the boat every year.
Did you hear the horn?
The bone just honked their horn. That's it, guys.
How do you know that?
Thanks for watching.
You heard it last year?
More. Have a
Really?
good night, everybody. Bye.